One of the common questions that I have when I review the rules of debits and credits, and I tell students that we increase all assets on the debit side, and for instance, cash being an account, we increase that on the debit side. And I always get the question like, well, why does my bank say that a debit is a decrease and you're telling me it's supposed to be an increase? Well, the reason for that is because they're looking at it from the banker's perspective. So today I just want to review that, and I think it'll make it clear how these transactions work. Here we have a bank, and the bank is going to have a cash account that they're putting money in, but they're also going to have a liability account, amongst other accounts, but the one we're concerned with today is the liability account called depositors payable. So when somebody deposits money into the bank, they're going to increase their cash account, but then they have a liability for that money. It's not their money, it's the depositor's money. So let's walk through an example. You deposit $900 in a checking account. So from the bank's perspective, their cash has gone up $900. They have more assets in their vault, but that is not theirs. Where did they get that money from? Well, they got it because you deposited it. So they owe you $900 as a liability. Now let's say you go to the grocery store and you buy $100 worth of groceries and you use your debit card for that. Well, you're viewing it that you are getting cash out from your bank account, but from the bank's perspective, it's not that you're removing cash, you are reducing your liability, their liability to you, by using that debit card. So in this case, while $100 is coming out of the bank's vault, shall we say, the depositors payable, or what they owe you, is being decreased or debited by $100 because you use that for groceries. So when you use a debit card, you are debiting their liability account of what they owe you, and so now your new balance is going to be $800, or what the bank owes you. If you went in tomorrow and wanted to withdraw all your money, you would have $800 that they would owe you. So hopefully that will explain why on your bank statements debits are decreases. It's because it's looking at it from a liability standpoint, not the cash account.